Welcome back to the second channel, everyone. I changed up my desk. I hated the color of the older one, and that one was getting dirty too fast. But I'm going to show you exactly how to fix some Snapchat crashes that you may have. Now, I have tons of tutorial on my channel on exactly how to fix any certain issues that you may have on Snapchat, and crashes are another one that a lot of people are probably going to be experiencing. And the process to fix this is super easy. First of all, as you guys know, add me on Snapchat. There's a name, there's the code. I don't post on here that often, but sometimes I do, so you guys might as well follow me if you guys want to. I'm not forcing you guys, but the first thing you want to do if your Snapchat is crashing, you just want to go ahead and hop out of it, and you just want to launch it again. Now, this is the easiest fix. Most of the time, this will probably, I would say like 20% of the time, it'll fix it. There's some weird issues sometimes that are happening, but sometimes they actually might work. Now, if that doesn't work, I'll say the other 120% of the time, pretty much there's issues with Snapchat servers. Maybe they're down, maybe for some reason the Snapchat servers are down, they're not working properly, whatever the case is. There could be an issue where Snapchat themselves are the issue, not necessarily you or your phone. So what I would recommend you doing is either going on Twitter and seeing if Snapchat is down or is trending or something. That's the main way I see it all the time. Another way is to check on Reddit or check on the news or check on, just search up Snapchat and see if it's down or whatever. And then from there, you'll be able to see basically if it's down or if it's still working or whatever the case is. Most of the time, you'll be able to see it through Twitter if Snapchat is down. If it's down, you're just going to have to wait until it's fixed. If not, then the next thing you want to do is you want to go inside of your app store and you want to see if Snapchat has an update. So you can click on here, and you can do this for your Android or your iPhone, it doesn't matter. You can go ahead and click on Snapchat and you can see if Snapchat has an update. Now, if there is an update, I would highly recommend you guys to update. If there isn't an update, then you'll probably have to restart your phone. But if there is an update, you want to go and update. Sometimes there is an issue. I would say like 167% of the time, there's like an update of some sort, so you're going to have to click update and fix your phone that way. However, if there's not an update, like I stated, you want to go ahead and power off your phone and power it back on. So fully turn it off, swipe it out, and then swipe it back on and see if that worked. If that didn't work, then you're probably going to have to factory reset your device. If you followed all those different things, I think the most common one is that Snapchat is down. Out of all the ways that I've seen it done, that's basically the main one that I've seen it. Basically the Snapchat servers are down, Snapchat has an issue themselves, and that's the main way I've been able to see a lot of people actually fix this problem is because of that. So it might not even be a you problem, you're just going to have to wait for Snapchat. So those are a couple ways on how to fix your Snapchat account or your Snapchat app if it keeps crashing every single time. Again, maybe none of these solved it, but hopefully one of them did. So that's the process. If you guys have any other questions or anything, leave it down in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. All those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate if you guys to check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.